Hi friends, this is one of your choice practices for your Who's Telling the Story section. So you should have learned that there are different points of view. One of the points of view is by the character. And when you hear a story that the character is telling a story, you hear a lot of the word of I, me, my. You know that when you hear those words in a story that the character is the one that's doing the talking. When the narrator is doing the talking, you hear a lot of words like them, you hear character names. So what we want you to do on this paper is you're going to tell us the point of view that is in this story, okay? So I'm going to read this story up here to you, and then I'll read the questions to you. You've got a couple questions to answer down here. So here's the story. The title of this story is called In the Zoo's Lake. Here we go. I'm new to the zoo. I'm the new swan that they just adopted. My new home is in the zoo's lake. I miss my old zoo friends a little bit. There are a lot of new friends to meet here. The zoo has a fountain in the middle of the lake that shoots water out of it. This happens every 10 minutes. It is my favorite part of my new zoo. I just really love the bridge that is built over my lake. All the people walk over it to watch us swim. Okay, friends, so right here for number 1, use your pencil to circle the clue words that helped you figure out the point of view. So what were those words that you heard in there that told you what point of view it was? Number 2, whose point of view is the story being told from? Is it the character or the narrator? That's where we want you to write on this line right here. Character. Remember those words like I, my, me, or the narrator. Did you hear the narrator saying character names or they, them? Character or narrator? Who is telling the story? And then down here, how does the character feel about her new zoo? Okay, we want you to answer that question using some of the text from up here. How does she feel about her new zoo? Is she happy? Is she sad? Does she love it? Does she not like it? Write that answer down here on the bottom.